What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about comparison operator and logical operator, and now we're gonna talk about if-else. Well, in this case we have to see the structure of if statement. At first we put the if and test expression and colon marks, and then we put the body of if statements, and before the statements it's noticed that we have to put the indentation before the statements, and then we put the else and the colon marks, and after that there is a body of else statements, and before the statements it has indentation too. So it is the structure of if-else, and this is the part of if and the part of else. Well, let's see the flow control of if-else. At first, the program will evaluate the test expression. If the test expression is true, and it will go on to the body of if statements. Or the test expression is false, and it will go on to the body of else statements. Alright, it is the flow control of if-else. Let's demonstrate it. At first, for example, we set a price equals 205, and we set a if statement, if and test expression, price larger than 200, colon marks, indentation, and then print cell. Flow control of if statements means if price larger than 200, the program will execute output cell or not. Alright, execute it and see what will happen. As you can see, it outputs cell, and we set a price equals 198, and we set another if statement, if and test expression, price smaller than 200, and we print by, execute it. As you can see, it outputs by because the price 198 is smaller than 200. And let's see how to use if-else. Following the previous example, we set a price equals 210. We set an if statement and test expression, price larger than 200, and we print cell. We put the else statement, print by, and we execute it. Because the price is 210, it's larger than 200, so it outputs cell. And in another way, we change the price to 195 and execute it again. Yeah, it is by. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the structure of flow control if-else. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.